Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve subdivision 4, 5 and 6 in question 4 in exercise 5.1. Now let us look at the problem first. So we are supposed to find if the series forms an AP. If so, get the common difference and write three more terms. So let us look at the series now. So subdivision 4 has a series -10, -6, -2, 2 and so on. So we know that A is the first term. So A is -10. Now let us start checking the common difference. So in order to check the common difference, I subtract the first term from the second term. So -6 minus of -10 is -6 plus 10. So it is equal to 4. So now let us see between the third and the second term -2. When you subtract -6 from that, you get +4. So this is definitely an AP. Now that is an AP, let us generate the next three terms. So how do you generate the next term? You add the common difference to this term. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So we have generated three more terms for the already given AP. Now let us look at the fifth question. Here it is 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 and so on. We know the first term is written as A, so A is equal to 3. Now let us check if there is a common difference. From the second term, I am going to subtract the first term. So 3 plus root 2 minus 3. It gives me a root 2. Now let's check if the common difference holds. So 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of 3 plus root 2 will fetch again a root 2. So this time we understand it is an AP with common difference root 2. So the next step is to generate the next three terms in AP. So how do you generate? I add root 2 to the last term that is here. So in this case, it becomes 3 plus 4 root 2. The next term after that is 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. See, these are the three terms that we are generating for this AP. In the next subdivision, so let us look at the series 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 and so on. So let us note the first term is the A. So A is equal to 0.2. Now let's see if the common difference exists. So from the second term, I'm going to subtract the first term. So 0.22 minus 0.2 gives you a 0.02. Now let us do it between the third and the second term to see if this exists. So 0.222 minus 0.22 will give a 0.002. So the common difference does not exist between these numbers. Therefore, this is not an AP. Since it is not an AP, we can't generate the next three terms. So we close the answer there. In the next video, we will see how to check this and generate APs for the next three subdivisions in this question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.